When backing up a running Siemens S7-1200 PLC, the goal is to capture the operating program without interrupting the machine's live data. A complete backup consists of two distinct layers. We must pull down the physical hardware configuration alongside the operational logic blocks. This procedure requires a powered PLC, a computer running TIA Portal, and a standard Ethernet cable. Securing both layers together ensures the system can be accurately restored or modified in the future. Begin by disconnecting the Ethernet cable that links the CPU to the HMI or touch panel. Next, bridge your computer directly to the PLC CPU using your Ethernet cable. Open TIA Portal, create a new project, and assign it a name like S7-1200 Upload. Once the project is created, move from the initial setup screen into the main project view interface. This empty project serves as the structural vessel required to organize and store the incoming data from the hardware. In the Online menu, the Upload from Device option is grayed out and inaccessible by default. To activate this option, click the project name within the Project Tree panel. Selecting the project enables the Upload from Device software and hardware command. In the Configuration window, set the interface to PNIE and select your computer's specific Ethernet controller from the drop-down menu. Click Start Search to allow the software to locate the physical PLC hardware on the network. If the computer and the PLC are on different IP subnets, they remain as isolated network islands that cannot exchange data. TIA Portal resolves this by assigning an additional IP address to the PC, bridging the gap to the PLC's network. With the connection established, click the Upload button to begin the data transfer. Automating the subnet resolution allows the software to interface with the hardware immediately without requiring manual Windows network changes. The software fetches the device I/O parameters and the internal program blocks from the PLC memory. To verify the hardware capture, expand the Device Configuration menu to view the CPU and its associated modules. For the logic capture, expand the Program Blocks folder and open the main organizational block. Live monitoring can be enabled by clicking the glasses icon in the top toolbar. This function displays the current state of the instructions within the PLC's active memory. The green power flow on the screen confirms that the captured program matches the running state of the machine. A digital copy of the S7-1200's configuration and logic is now stored within the software. Save the project and close TIA Portal to finalize the backup. You can find the compiled project folder within the Windows File Explorer directory where you saved it. This local directory provides the necessary files for future system deployments or emergency restorations.